Hello friends, is your car's AC acting up? Is it not cooling properly or does it randomly shut off? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0531, that means there's an issue with the AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit range/performance. Ignoring this could lead to a non-functioning AC and potential damage to the compressor. In this video I'll explain what P0531 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0531? The P0531 code stands for AC Refrigerant Pressure Sensor Circuit Range Performance. This means the signal from the refrigerant pressure sensor is outside the expected range, causing the engine control module or climate control module to shut off the AC system to prevent damage. Common symptoms of P0531. Check engine light or AC warning. Light on AC compressor. Not engaging, weak or no cooling from AC, fluctuating AC performance, unusual noises from the AC system. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the faulty sensor. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0531, check these key components. AC refrigerant pressure sensor. Location, usually mounted on the high pressure side of the AC system, typically on the AC condenser or near the refrigerant lines. AC compressor and clutch. Location, front of the engine, near the serpentine belt. Engine control module or climate control module. Location, under the dashboard or inside the engine bay. Wiring and connectors. Location, running from the refrigerant pressure sensor to the ECM and AC components. Tip: if the sensor sends an incorrect signal, the ECM may shut down the AC system completely. Common causes of P0531. Faulty AC refrigerant pressure sensor. If the sensor fails, it can send incorrect signals to the ECM. Incorrect refrigerant level, low or high refrigerant pressure can trigger the sensor error. Wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded or broken wires can cause miscommunication. AC compressor problems. A failing compressor can cause abnormal pressure readings. Faulty ECM or CCM. A malfunctioning ECM may not correctly interpret the sensor signal. How to fix P0531. Step 1. Scan the system with an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0531 code. Step 2. Inspect the AC refrigerant pressure sensor. Replace it if it's faulty. Step 3. Check refrigerant levels. Ensure they are within manufacturer specifications. Step 4. Inspect the AC compressor and clutch. Make sure they engage properly. Step 5. Examine wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or disconnected wires. Step 6. Clear the code and test the AC system. Make sure everything is working properly. If you ignore P0531, your AC might completely stop working, making summer drives unbearable. Fixing it early will save your compressor from further damage. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0316, misfire detected on startup. P0317, rough road detected misfire. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.